Hey, today I want to show you a little bit about this extra strength hip and joint support for dogs. These are chews made by Paw Choice. We got these for our dog because we love our dog. Now, when you think of hip and joint support, you usually think of old dogs, right? Dogs that have arthritis or that are having joint pain, degeneration in their cartilage, stuff like that. That's not our dog. We have a pup. But we want to take care of our pup now so we don't have those problems in the future. And part of the reason we got these chews is we thought, let's do some preventative stuff so that we don't have to deal with this down the road. It's going to save us money and in bills and things like that to take care of our dog. And it's going to make our dog healthier and happier. Let me tell you just a little bit about what's in here. For a small dog, I'm going to give ours 2 chews a day. And what they're getting, well, I'll tell you what they're not getting. No wheat, corn, sugar, salt, gumming agents, or artificial preservatives or color. So there's a lot of natural ingredients in here, which is cool. The top 2 ingredients, glucosamine, and that's something that repairs cartilage. So they're getting a ton of that, 625 milligrams in a serving. And then the second ingredient, which also is really high, is organic turmeric, which is an antioxidant. Then we've got stuff like ascorbic acid, vitamin E, dried yucca, and eggshell meal. So these are things that are going to do basically one of 3 things. One is they're going to repair or restore cartilage or strengthen cartilage. And a lot of those things are coming from cartilage. So they're using, just like you would, like humans drink bone broth and it's good for our bones, same thing for dogs. So a bunch of the ingredients will do that. A bunch of the ingredients are antioxidants, so it's going to improve the overall health of the dog, but also help with inflammation and joint control, stuff like that. And then that's the third thing, is some of these ingredients really do a lot for inflammation. So if you do have an old dog or a dog that's dealing with joint pain or whatever, this is a really great product for stuff like that. If you figure, you know, for a normal sized dog, something like this is going to last you for a few months. That's totally worth it, because in the long run, it's going to save you so much time and money and aggravation with the poor health of your dog. So it's worth doing preventative stuff, but of course, if you have an old dog and you want to make them more comfortable, then this makes even more sense at that point, because it's going to alleviate the pain, it's going to help with the reconstruction of some of that cartilage and stuff like that.